Have you ever clicked on an ad and landed on a page that's focused, informative, and guides you towards a specific action? That's a landing page in action. But what exactly makes a landing page effective, and how can you create one that converts visitors into leads and customers? Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. In today's video, we're talking about landing pages, what they are, how they work, and what you need to do to make yours successful. Landing pages are a key part of any online marketing strategy, and if done right, they can skyrocket your conversions. Let's dive in and explore what makes a landing page truly effective. A landing page is a standalone web page designed with one specific goal in mind: to convert visitors into leads or customers. Unlike a typical web page, which might have multiple links or distractions, a landing page is focused on a single offer, message, or action. This could be anything from signing up for a newsletter, downloading a free ebook, or purchasing a product. Think of landing pages as the entry point to a marketing campaign. Visitors usually land on these pages after clicking on an ad, email, or social media post. The page's job is simple: convince them to take one specific action. Because of this laser-focused approach, landing pages are critical for maximizing conversions. Not all landing pages are created equal. A good landing page needs to be clear, concise, and designed with conversion in mind. The main elements include effective design, a clear value proposition, and a strong call to action. Everything on the page should work together to guide the visitor toward completing the desired action without distractions. What makes a good landing page really stand out is its simplicity and focus. There shouldn't be any unnecessary links or content that pulls the visitor away from the main goal. If done right, a landing page feels seamless, guiding the user from the moment they land on the page all the way to clicking that final button. Design plays a huge role in the success of a landing page. An effective design isn't just about looking good, it's about guiding the user's attention toward the conversion goal. Start with a clean and simple layout. The most important elements, such as the headline, value proposition, and CTA, should be immediately visible above the fold, meaning visitors don't have to scroll to see them. Strong visuals like relevant images or videos can help convey your message quickly and boost engagement. But make sure they support the goal of the page. Too many visuals or overly complex designs can be distracting. Keep it simple, focused, and visually appealing to encourage visitors to take action. One of the most important aspects of a landing page is having a clear and singular conversion goal. The entire purpose of a landing page is to get users to take a specific action, whether that's signing up, downloading, or making a purchase. To achieve this, the landing page should have one goal and one goal only. Too many options or CTAs will confuse the visitor and lower your chances of converting them. For example, if you're offering a free ebook, don't also try to sell products or get people to sign up for a newsletter on the same page. Keep the page focused on that one goal and design everything around guiding visitors toward that action. Your value proposition is the main reason visitors should take the action you're asking for. It should answer the question, "What's in it for me?" This needs to be clearly stated at the top of the page. A strong value proposition highlights the benefits of your offer in a way that's easy to understand. Be specific about what the visitor will get in return for completing the action. For example, if you're offering a free trial, explain how the trial will solve a specific problem for the visitor or improve their life. The more direct and compelling your value proposition, the better chance you have of converting visitors into leads or customers. The CTA is arguably the most important part of your landing page. This is the button or link that the visitor clicks to complete the desired action. It needs to stand out, be action-oriented, and clearly explain what happens when the visitor clicks. Instead of using generic phrases like submit or click here, use action words like get your free trial or download the ebook now. These phrases give visitors a clear idea of what they'll get when they take action. The placement and design of your CTA are equally important. It should be large, easy to find, and visually distinct from the rest of the page. Use contrasting colors and place the CTA in a prominent spot, like near the top of the page and again at the bottom. Let's take a look at Facebook's current landing page, a great example of simplicity, focus, and effectiveness. The page features a clean, minimalistic design with two clear goals: allowing existing users to log in and encouraging new users to create an account. The headline, "Facebook helps you connect and share with people in your life," delivers a straightforward value proposition, instantly telling visitors what Facebook is all about: connection and sharing. The design is split into two sections. On the left, the headline and Facebook logo stand out with plenty of white space, keeping the message clear and distraction-free. On the right, there is a login form for existing users with fields for an email address or phone number and password. The green "Create New Account" button stands out against the blue and white background, making it impossible to miss for new users. Meanwhile, returning users can quickly access their accounts with the login fields in the same prominent section. The Facebook landing page is highly effective because it focuses on clarity and user flow. By offering two distinct paths, logging in or signing up, the page makes it easy for users to know exactly what action to take. A high-performance landing page is crucial for driving conversions, but it also needs to load quickly and function smoothly. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, your landing pages will load fast, reducing bounce rates and improving user experience. Whether you're launching a new campaign or running multiple landing pages at once, Rapyd Cloud's hosting ensures your site performs at its best. Click the link in the description to learn how Rapyd Cloud can elevate your WordPress experience. And there you have it, everything you need to know about creating effective landing pages. From clean design and a clear conversion goal to a strong CTA, each element plays a critical role in turning visitors into leads or customers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on web development and digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.